Okay, welcome to this chemistry trick now. We are reducing an oxidizing agent. As you can see, a reducing agent, they are electron donor or a species that become oxidized in the course of the reaction. While oxidizing agents are electron acceptor, that is, they become reduced in the course of the reaction. Now let's look at the two equation here. Which species here is the reducing agent and which species is the oxidizing agent? Let's start with the first equation. Now remember that the oxidation number of an uncombined element, just like you can see in this case. Sodium here is uncombined, so its oxidation number is 0. Same thing with chlorine, is in not combined state, its oxidation number is also 0. Remember, in your chemical bonding, a metal donates electrons. So this particular sodium donates electron to become positively charged. So the oxidation number of this particular sodium is the charge on it, which is plus 1 for having gained 1 electron. And then this one, having gained having lost electron. And this chlorine, having gained electron, its oxidation number becomes charge on it, which is -1. So in the reaction now, it will look like sodium here is the reducing agent. So sodium is the reducing agent because it is a species that's oxidized in the course of the reaction. You can see that the oxidation number of sodium has changed from 0 to +1, that is oxidized. As you can see, reducing agents are species that oxidize in the reaction. They oxidize, they donate electron as well. Now, in this same reaction, chlorine, whose oxidation number has just reduced from 0 to -1, is the oxidizing what? Agent. Oxidizing agent. Now, let's see in the second equation. Now, we want to know who is the reducing agent in the reaction and as well oxidizing agent. Now, in this reaction, oxidation number of a combined hydrogen, like in this case, H is combined with N, is +1, but you know that you have 3 atoms of H here already, so you have total of +3. So that means the sum of everything here, being a neutral compound, is going to be N here is going to be -3, so you sum the charge you neutralize. Then oxidation number of chlorine here is 0 since it's not combined. Then oxidation number of nitrogen here is 0 since it's not combined. Then chlorine here is -1 because combined hydrogen has always been +1. So let's check in the reaction who is the oxidizing agent and who is the reducing agent. In the reaction, oxidation number of nitrogen has changed, having lost this hydrogen to 0. So since its number had gone into an increasing number, so its oxidation number increases from -3 to 0. See, in the reaction, it's oxidized in the reaction. So ammonia here is the reducing agent. Its number increased. While chlorine here, whose number decreased, is the oxidizing agent. See you.